Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is creating dashboards in Tableau. Tableau is a very powerful software to analyze data, to create charts, to work with big data, and dashboards. And they are easy to create. So first of all, what is a dashboard? It's a collection of several items. Oh, you will be here. A dashboard is a collection of several views letting you compare variety of data simultaneously. For instance, if you have a set of views that you review every day, you can create a dashboard that displays all the views at once rather than navigate to separate worksheets. So basically, we combine several worksheets, okay? And then when you modify a sheet, any dashboards content it change and vice versa. I grab it from the Tableau website. So first of all, let's go to our Excel file because Tableau, there is no Tableau format file, so you cannot add data on Tableau. So Tableau grabs from anywhere else, usually here, for instance, Excel or your own ERP if you are using it professionally. But here we are using academically, so Excel is the best one. And by the way, this Excel file is free as well as the Tableau file is free. And the link to download it is in our video description. So we have here some data from Coca-Cola, 10 years, PepsiCo, and Monster Beverage. Revenue, cost of revenue, and net income after tax. So these are the data that we will be working with. So, okay, let me close it and let me open the Tableau. Okay, Tableau is here, Microsoft Excel, Tableau. Okay. What are the sheet that we are working with? The summary. Summary here. First things first, we need to check if our data are right or if our variables are right. Company is a text file, text variable. Good. Date. I downloaded from Refinitiv Icon and their date format is day, month, and year. That is not how Tableau works with data. They work on American standard, month, date, and year. So it shows as a text file. It is not a text, it is date. So we need to click here on ABC, change it to date. And now it is date. And then here, numbers. Numbers is what we have for the accounting variables. So to create a dashboard, first we need to create worksheets. Remember, dashboard is a set of worksheets. So let's go to the first worksheet. And okay, let's compare the company here, cost of revenue, net income, and revenue. But I want the revenue to be first, then cost of revenue and income tax, and I want bars here. So, good. I want to change these colors. So, okay, for cost of revenue is second, income is third. Okay, revenue, cost, and net income, just like an income statement, right? So I want revenue to be another color. So I click here on revenue color. It will be green. And then cost of revenue will be yellow, and net income blue. Blue, yellow, and green, the colors of Brazilian flag where I am from. So, okay, that is good. So, okay, this is my first worksheet, and then let's work with a title here. I can double click here and I change it. The default is the sheet name. So here, the dish bar charts. Okay, so, and now I want to make it center. center, apply, and we're good. Now, a second worksheet. So I want to grab only the revenue. So company, revenue, and I will not work with this one. I will be working with bullets or bubbles. Let's work with bubbles here. And then I want to add the amount of money here, not only move it. So revenue, we go to the label. And Monster Beverage is so low that we don't have it. So we need to move our mouse here. We will fix it later. So the second sheet we will call revenue. And let's center it. Center, apply, and we're good. Now the third one will be the cost. So the same, company, costs, and bubbles. And okay, I don't want the same colors. They are the same colors here. I want to change the colors. So here, edit colors. And okay, let's move to this Tableau 2.0. Oh, come on. Whoop, 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 whoop. Come on. Color. Edit color. Summer. So a green for Coca-Cola. A blue for Monster or not. Okay, green for Coca-Cola. A kind of purple here. And the third one, a light blue. Apply. We change our colors. And this is the cost of revenue. So cost of revenue, let's label it. And here we are. And here, revenue, cost of revenue. And let's put it center, apply, and we're good. And the last one, the net income. Net income after tax. Here, let's change our colors. Let's edit our colors. And assign palette, we assign these colors to this one. So let's apply. Now we have different colors. Net income. And this is net income. Okay, we have 4 worksheets. But I don't want to navigate on these 4 every time. So, and another stuff, I want to delete monster. I don't want the monster. So what do? Company we add as a filter. Apply. Okay, and I want to show filter here. Then we can work on that. However, Coca-Cola and PepsiCo, but the Monster beverage is here. Oh, what do we want? How can we do? Apply to worksheets. All using this data source. And then revenue, cost of income, and net income. So with that, we have only one filter that works for all. And here we have the names. So we don't need this box here. How do we delete it? We cannot delete it, but we can hide it. Hide discard. Hide discard. Hide discard. And now the net income is not pretty anymore. So let's go to the left. Good. Let's go to the left. Apply. Let's go to the left. Apply. And now, okay, How do we create our dashboard? New worksheet? Nope. Or as my daughter says, no, 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 no. New dashboard. That is what we have. Whoa. We need to draw now. It's much more a draw than another stuff. So what will I do? Bar chart. It is here. Then my revenue is here. My cost of revenue is here. And my net income is here. Or, wow, it's not so pretty. I want the net income here. Revenue, cost of revenue, net income. And now it is a lot of blank spaces here. I don't want it. So I click here and I move it. And now it's better. I could even add another chart here. So I can add, for instance, the net income over here or whatever, but not so pretty. This is better. So look at how interesting it is now. Let me move myself to here. Okay, this is my bar chart, but whoa, now I want revenue. PepsiCo is greater, but the cost of revenue is also greater. And the net income, they are quite similar. So we have here a summary, everything in only one plot, different plots with different views. And we can give a title here. Income statement dashboard. Whoa, where is the title? Dashboard, show title. Income statement, dashboard. Let's put it on center. Let's 20, oops, not 18, 24. Apply. Pretty, huh? And then look at how cool it is. I don't want Coca-Cola anymore. It changes for everything. So we have our filter here. When we change one, it changes for all of our worksheets and for our dashboard as well. If I want to add Monster in only here, it will show for all of them. But Monster is so low that we don't have them here. So the bubbles, sorry, very good for similar numbers. Okay? And that's it, guys. Cool, huh? I love dashboards. And you can, but the problem, there's only problem. It is so interesting, so exciting that you can add tons of worksheets in only one dashboard. But that make them quite small. So maybe add one or more than one dashboards, and then you can add them to a story. We will have a video quite soon about story. So probably when you are watching this video, the video about story should be in the playlist or in the video description. Okay, guys, if you have questions or comments, just leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.